Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Wednesday, July 27, 2022. Here she comes. Here she comes. It's Songbird, 1948, 18-foot Century Sea Maid. We've done a complete preservation on her. She now has a true 5200 bottom, mostly new frames underneath. Her deck planking has been re-engineered so that the seams are straight, parallel, and even where they should be. Her lettering was done by Joni Alden, Vital Signs and Silk Painting in Colchester, Vermont. We waxed and polished the hardware, but it's in really good shape. So we chose not to send it off to Mickey Dupuy for a complete replating. It just doesn't need it. Her engine is waiting for her at home. Her owners have a mechanic doing a major rebuild on the engine. That's why we don't have any of the seating. We were unable to test her gauges, of course, because we don't have an engine. Original windshield, original hardware throughout. This is a truly pure example of a Century Sea Maid. She has her proper two-piece cutwater, and the trailer her owners had built for her really fits her well. Now you'll notice that, as is our practice, she will go home without a strap running across her aft end, because there's no better way to abrade this varnish than to run a strap over it. I don't care whether you use terry cloth towels, microfiber towels, a pile of mother's cotton. It's just going to ruin the varnish. It'll ruin the striping paint. It'll basically ruin the entire job. Our method, which actually is functionally superior, involves running straps, tensioner straps, from the strut to the pins on each side. These do two things. One, which a ratchet strap over the top would never do, it's totally incapable of doing, keeps the boat from shucking side to side as she goes down the road. With a strap going over, oh, you may have a lot of down pressure, but you don't have no control this way or that way. The other thing, she limits the forward and aft travel. Remember, freight wants to move forward. And we've seen boats come here with great big ratchet straps on them, and the bow during the transport has been jammed into the bow roller. In this case, these bunks are really great. They protect her extremely well. So we can't wait for her to be on her way home. I'm sure her owners truly can't wait for her to be home, to get that engine in and get her on the water this season. So we bid adieu to Songbird, 1948, 18-foot Century Sea Maid. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.